Hello everyone. In this video we would like to share the work that we finished in Toyota Kluger Grande, and this is 2012 model, generation of 2007 and 2013. So this is the top end Grande, which has the previous head unit, screen and factory navigation before, and it got factory group DVD player as well, and it has all things of the Grande features. And at this moment we already convert it into a new full package of the wireless Apple CarPlay, 10-inch system, quad LED screen, very responsive and smooth running application, and wireless Android Auto, including USB Android Auto and USB Apple CarPlay. On the screen it is wireless Android Auto running with the Android phone recording this video now. So quickly we can see everything is perfectly fit into the place, like factory fit, and nicely you can see this bar is specifically for the Grande, because this has that button. It's a little bit different with what we fit in the lower range of the Altitude or KXS or KX, which you can see in another video we have in the YouTube channel. This Grande will have factory steering wheel buttons over here for the head unit section, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 buttons. All of them connected well into our head unit and works very nice. Okay, so at this moment it is on the screen. You can see when I press the button here, it go over there. Yeah, on the system here, it is fully updated with the Android Auto, and you can see it's very easy to access. In my phone, with our firmware in our phone, it show up actually the screenshot like this, but in your Android phone it might be different, depends on your firmware, but it should be pretty much the same thing like this and exactly the same like this. But when we talk about multiple screen, it might be slightly different if you don't have the update firmware. Now we also add in 2 USB port, which actually one is here. You can see that beautiful one here. Okay, it was only the aux port before, and now it's USB. You can plug here for USB Apple CarPlay, USB Android Auto, or normal USB port for music, video, data. The second one is inside the glove box, very nicely fit in there. And yeah, what else? I should mention that we have the full HD anti-glare super night vision reverse camera, fully replace and upgrade and fit at the back end and make it look like factory camera. So just come out and have a look. Okay, so here is the reverse camera. Okay, you can see that, and this camera is fully adjustable up and down. Yeah. If we don't tell you, if you are the stranger to this car, you look at the back, oh, you will see, okay, that's nice factory camera, but actually it's not. It's fully upgraded already, and the factory camera is here at the back end. We put it on the side here. Okay, so you can see that is the factory camera already removed, and this is the original head unit removed, and the original frame here. So now have a look at how the reverse camera is actually showing on the screen. Beautiful, very detailed, very sharp, and very strong anti-glare feature, super wide angle, and oh, you can see that little bird. Okay, that little bird is walking. Yep, it's walking toward the car now. I don't move the car, so the bird don't worry. Now the system here with the camera here is Full HD anti-glare and super night vision. What it means is you can see very clear, sharp and detailed in the daytime as well in the nighttime. And if you drive the car backward and against the sun, you can see the anti-glare feature wake up and block the sunlight as a dot of light. The same thing if in the nighttime, if you have the headlight point into your camera, then you will block that light, you know, and you still see objects around very clear. And you can see some of the video that we show particularly for the camera function in our channel, and you can understand how strong anti-glare and super night vision mechanism built inside this camera. And it quickly come back to the front application, which is wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto in this case, but if you have CarPlay, the same thing. Yep, so it is about that. And you can see, oh, it show like camera signal loss. No, it's not, because of the design of the car here. And when the reverse camera going up, the power from this car push into the head unit and push into the reverse power is increasing. It's not going full power, right? More than 12 plus voltage. It's just increasing. That's why the head unit trigger with low voltage first, and the camera receive full power to get the signal up on here. That's why in millisecond it got that, you know, information, but it's not any loss of the signal. It's just the delay of the power from the car into the camera system and wiring. That's the natural design of the Toyota. We cannot do anything, but it's a very simple thing to understand. So yep, everything works perfect, very smooth, very fast. And here you go, 10-inch screen for Toyota Kluger Grande. Everything beautifully matched. So thanks again for watching, and see you on the next one.